Good evening, Namaskar. Uh, Now, since the Petri Pakha is running and already Navamadi Kalparamba has been started of Mata Durga and the Mahala is approaching, you people are feeling somehow elated that Jagannamata, the Supreme Mother, is coming. But this year something different due to the circumstantial situation of COVID-19. Everything is restricted. Festival is also restricted, and also this year due to the Ashin Mass, since it is a Mala Mass, uh, no puja will be observed in Ashin Mass, and after Ashin Mass, in Kartik Mass, it will be taken place. The mother will be worshipped in the pandals. And I am gradually entering into my topic or topics. Now the topic or topics, whether it is interesting to you, you have to response from your side. I want response whether you are liking it or not. Actually, I am giving the discourse in English due to since English is the international language and English has an universal appeal, and most of my students and disciples they understand English, more or less they understand English. Now, yesterday I had my topic on the necessities or essentials of Tantra, except existence of Vedas and Puranas. Ved Puran থাকতেও তন্ত্রর প্রয়োজনীয়তা কলিযুগের জন্য. For Kalyug, it was been necessitated. I have already told you. Now, the Tantra's supportive sides, how it comes in the life of a sadhaka. ये साधक a potential sadhaka, a competent sadhaka, he wishes to achieve the energy, achieve the power of the Brahma Shakti, and gradually from the very minor level to mature level he becomes himself elevated through sadhana, and the sadhana, as there is sapta achar, there is sapta ullas of sadhana, arambha prarambha arambha or prarambha, then tarun means the young, and the Yuvan means the Tarun means the adolescence period, and young Yuvan is young. Prauda is matured up to an extent. Tadanta or Praudanta, that is matured, more matured at the senior stage or retired stage or the stage of 16, you know. And the Unman stage is when he is mentally settled with the system, mentally settled with the sadhana, that is Unman. And ultimately, seventh is Anavastha or Purnarudha. Anavastha means when he is in such a condition where he is totally obsessed with the sadhana, or sadhana has been obsessed with him. Both are intermingled within themselves, within his heart, within his soul. He has got the sadhana. जब साधना की जो साधक पूर्ण रूप से अपने अंतर मन में वो स्थिति पैदा हो जाता है उनका, और इसे जो कहता है वो आनंद की परमावस्था में आरोहण करते हैं, उसे पूर्णारूढ़ कहते हैं. When he gets escalated to the ultimate level of rejoice or ecstasy, that's the Purnarudha, ultimate condition. Turyananda Avastha, that is the final condition. And after this final condition, this is a situation where there is no course, no limit, or no system is required. The sadhak becomes sairachari. He can do as he wish. No puja, no japa is needed for him at that stage. Anyway, why this sadhana is? Sadhana is to attain some sort of siddhi. আমাদের শাস্ত্রে আছে, हमारे शास्त्र में है कि साधन करते हैं सिद्धि के लिए. To attain some siddhis, sadhana is done. And there are 8 types of siddhis. अष्ट सिद्धि, 8 प्रकार की सिद्धियां हमारे प्राथमिक रूप में होते हैं. और ये 8 प्रकार की सिद्धि के बारे में सब लोग जानते हैं. और 8 प्रकार की सिद्धि तो बहुत कठिनाइयां से इसको हासिल किया जाता है, परंतु सिद्धि के लिए साधक लालायित नहीं है. प्रकृत साधक जो होते हैं, दोज हु आर दी पोटेंशियल साधकस एंड दोज हु हैव नॉट दी hankering after their siddhis, the resulting, those who have not, those who have the feeling of the Gita's Vani, Karmani Vadhikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachanam. You have to do your work. You don't think of the fruits of the work, resultings of the work. They can attain siddhi very easily because they don't hanker after the siddhi, they don't aspire after the siddhi, and the aspiration, whoever it does have, the persons also can attain siddhi. And 8 types of siddhi are there generally. Anima, to make yourself very small in a molecular form. जो हनुमान जी का अष्ट सिद्धि की वरदान प्राप्त है, कभी कभी वो छोटा बन जाते थे. He became very small type. Laghima, making yourself lightweight. Anima, Laghima, Mahima, Maha, to extend one's size in a big and bigger volume, to make the volume multiplied by 1,000 times, 100 times. That is Mahima. Prakamya, the whatever I shall wish, Kamana, whichever Kamana I shall do, I shall avail it of. That is the Prakamya, the Prakamya Shakti Siddhi. Sarupa, Sarupa means to take the form, रूप, कोई भी रूप धारण करने का. कभी कभी वो भगवान बन जाते थे, कभी हनुमान जी बानर से इंसान बन जाते थे. Whenever they can wish, they can change their forms. Ishitta. Ishitta means the godliness. To feel himself as the godliness, feel himself as the God, and there will be no difference between God and himself. That's the position of Ishitta. Bashitta, to capture or to impress, can impress anybody else at a certain time, any person or a group of persons. That is Bashitta. Ultimately is Kam Bashaita. Kam Bashaita means I can get things done through others, any work I can get things done. That is Kam Bashaita. These are the 8 types of siddhis which can be attained generally from sadhana. Apart from that, there are many other types of siddhi also. Somebody have the Bak Siddhi. Bak Siddhi means whatever shall be told by his mouth or voice, that will come true. That is Bak Siddhi. There are Betal Siddhi, Bhoot Siddhi, Pret Siddhi, and those are something lower type of siddhis. But no siddhi can give a potential sadhak their mental satisfaction. Mental satisfaction, only siddhi, that is the Bhagavan, Sarupa Siddhi is something like that, but Sarupa Sajujya, this is something like that. অর্থাৎ আমি ভগবানের সান্নিধ্য লাভ করব, ব্রহ্ম স্বরূপ লাভ করব, ब्रह्म स्वरूप को प्राप्त करना, to attain the feelings of Brahma or attain the connectivity with the Brahma, that is the sadhana which a potential sadhak expects other than this small type of sadhana. Those sadhanas are also something type of maya, something type of, these are the elements of lalach, greediness, and no sadhak, no competent sadhak, no high level sadhak aspire after all those things. कामना नहीं करते हैं, बड़े बड़े साधक ने ये सब सिद्धियों की कामना नहीं करते हैं। वो कोई भी सिद्धि आता है, सिद्धि तो ऐसे साधन से ऐसे ही आ जाती है। इट बिकम्स नेचुरली टू ए साधक एंड दिस साधना बिकम्स वेरी मच इफेक्टिव एंड दिस इफेक्टिवनेस comes to the potential sadhak easily whenever he meditates, whenever he carries on his sadhana, whenever he gets connected with the ultimate energy. Energy will empower him, energy will give him power. It's natural, course natural, quite natural, that water attracts water, fire attracts fire, air attracts air. The natural energies, those are attracting interdependent, those are attracting themselves. Likewise, also the sadhaka, when they are practicing the meditation or generating the power and energy inside themselves, the energy also gives them the boon of more and more energy. That's the thing. That's the sadhana. And the sadhaka, generally they remain totally forgetful about those power. They are not much conscious about their power, energy, and they also don't aspire after that. And the thing is that in this way the sadhana goes on, and the tantra sadhak, they also have the connection with the yoga and the kundalini yoga, and also all sorts of raja yoga, hatha yoga. These are also concerned with the tantra sadhana. Tantra shastra, since tantra shastra, the main basic three forms of tantra is তিনটে মূল প্রধান তন্ত্রের যে প্রধান যে ধারা, মূল প্রধান যে শাস্ত্র তিনটি, সেই তিনটি শাস্ত্র কি কি? আগম, চামল এবং তন্ত্র। আগমের ভেতরে কি আছে? আগম বলা হচ্ছে, আগমের মধ্যে আছে সৃষ্টি, প্রলয়, দেবতার পূজা, সাধন, পুরস্চরণ, ষটকর্ম ইত্যাদি। জামলের মধ্যেও আছে সৃষ্টি, জ্যোতিষ তত্ত্ব আছে, জামলের মধ্যে জ্যোতিষ আছে, নিত্যকর্ম, সাধনক্রম, বর্ণভেদ, জাতিভেদ, যুগধর্ম ইত্যাদি আছে। এবং তন্ত্র, বাকি তন্ত্রের মধ্যে আছে সৃষ্টি, প্রলয়, তন্ত্রের নিশ্চয়তা, দেবতাদের শরীর বর্ণন হচ্ছে ধ্যান মূর্তি, তীর্থ বর্ণন, দি ডিসক্রিপশন অফ তীর্থ, आश्रम धर्म, शरीर सन्निवेश, भूत सन्निवेश, यंत्रम, वृक्ष, ज्योतिष, पुराण, पौराणिक आख्यान, भुवन कोश, राजादि आनंद, व्रत विधान, शौचाशौच कर्म, नरक वर्णन, all those are inclusive in this tantra. Tantra has a vast area of coverage. Now the thing is that tantra we utilize in very short, very limited way to do mainly in short karma and the activities of the healing. Tantra and any sort of sadhana, there are the provision of healing, and through tantra, I have already told you previously that tantra is tannena trayate iti tantram, tanum trayate iti tantram. We can describe it or define it in both way. That is, tantra, you can heal yourself through tantra sadhana, and you also can heal others. Other problems also can be solved through use power, use energy, if you apply the energy. अगर आपने आपकी अर्जित शक्ति का कुछ शक्ति, कुछ भाग, कुछ अंश उसको खर्चा करके, उसमें कुछ व्यय करके अब दूसरे को अगर भला करना चाहते हो तो वो भी संभव है। এটাও সম্ভব অন্যের যে কল্যাণ, কারণ तंत्र इज द वेलफेयर साइंस, तंत्र হচ্ছে कल्याणमूलक সেই विज्ञान। कल्याण का ये जो विज्ञान है, इस विज्ञान के बारे में जानने के लिए और भी आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा, और मैं इसकी आगे बहुत सारे ये ऐसे सेशन आएगी, और इस सेशन में टॉपिकली आई शैल try to describe my feelings and the Shastriya, in the Shastriya, obviously in Shastriya way, and up to that extent, but the Shastra will permit me, up to that extent. Nobody will insist me to express something which is not permitted by the Shastra. I shall give the introduction, I shall give the detail, I shall give the preface, and also I shall give the style and type, everything, but which will be the mantra or bija. These are strictly prohibited by the scriptures. Those don't insist me. That has to be maintained through a guru parampara, and that guru parampara is very secret, and I shall not give them by any means. I shall give the way, and the other, there are very much, so many competent gurus, and you will be able to avail of them from those competent gurus, and if you like, you may come to me too. But thing is that try to respect your own guru, and don't roam haphazardly. You will get everything from your guru, otherwise your guru will show the way, show the proper way to whom it will be available. That's the way, and this is my today's sermon. That's all. Thank you very much. Good night.